Lesson 13 in Access is dealing with using criteria in a query. So first thing we want to do is right click classes being offered, open it in design view. Okay, the criteria row for the days is Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So we go to days, criteria, and if we look at the datasheet view, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, they're all caps. Tuesday, Thursday, 2 capital T's and a little h. So back in design view, so our criteria's got to match. So it's got to be capital MW F. Hit tab, you'll notice that it automatically puts quotations around it for you. You hit run, and then it's just Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Go back to design view, you go down to the OR row. So remember, it can meet two different criteria. So we went Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday. So we'll do Tuesday, capital T, little h, hit tab or click off. It gives you quotation marks, run it, and it gives you all those there. Alright, now back in design view, we can go ahead and close this one. Hit no when it has to save. We're going to use a different one this time, I guess. You want to double click this. Okay, create query design. Alright, so we're going to go create query design. We're going to add the students table, so double click students. You can close this window again. Remember, expand this. In the field list, we're going to double click first name, last name, and term length. So first name, last name, term length. Okay, the criteria for term length should be 5. So we're just going to put a number 5 there. Hit run, and it shows you everybody that just has 5. Okay, to give you an idea what we're working with, I'll run this with no criteria, and you can see what we're working with. So we had a 5 here on term length. We want to clear the show checkbox for term length. Okay, and what this will do, it's going to still give us our results of 5, but by unchecking it, it won't show any results. So when you hit run, these are people that have a term length of 5, but it's not showing term length and then 5 over here. So that's one way you can do that. Alright, so from here, you want to hit the show checkbox again, and then we're going to clear 5 from the criteria on this row. Alright, in the criteria row for term length, we're going to put is null. Remember, null means empty. So this, we're looking for term length that is null. So when you run this, term length, the people that have no term length here, their term lengths are empty. And that's how that works. Alright, and then we're going to replace this with is not null. So it is not empty. Run it, and it's everyone that has a term length. Alright, and that is all for lesson 13.